Well, it seems like everywhere you go right now, someone is coughing and has a runny nose, and it may not be allergies. KVU's Christy Millward spoke to a few local doctors, and they say the number of flu cases is pretty high this year.
Well, Quita, Hayes County has seen a huge spike in cases, 304 right now compared to the 15 they saw this time last year. In Travis County, they're up 20% in the past 2 weeks and have already seen 3 people die. In Williamson County, they tell me their cases have increased from low to moderate, and they all say it could get worse before it gets better. Dr. Kanita Suffrage with Baylor Scott & White says they've seen a lot of people come in with the flu in the past week. She says the flu season typically lasts, though, until April, so she encourages everyone to still get a flu shot, even if you've heard that this year's strain isn't effective.
I hear that a lot from patients. They're suspect about getting the flu shot. Is it going to work this year? Is it not? And every year there's the potential for strains to develop and for the flu shot to be not quite as effective as it was in previous years. It is still the #1 best way to prevent the flu, and it still gives immunity and helps you fight off that infection should you get exposed.
Now, one clinic tells me they ran out of flu tests because they've seen so many cases. But Dr. Suffrage said those tests are only about 50% accurate for adults. So she says if you have a high fever or can't keep liquids down, it's time to go to the doctor. Now, as you know, the flu can be very dangerous, even life-threatening for those who are under the age of 5 or older than 65. Also for any women who are pregnant or anyone who has a chronic illness. Christy Millward, KVU News.